think another place that you can use videos, especially, this is something that people do if like they're trying to figure out how to do something in Photoshop or another tool, is to show a screen share essentially. And I think that's something that could be done easily. Once again, with any kind of tools that you have, just walk them through it. Sometimes people, actually, me personally, I prefer watching a video of what to click rather than like, oh, click on the file button on the upper right. Like, where is that? Rather than you having a visual of where to do things. I think it's very helpful for your customers to really get started with your specific product rather than going through the instructions where it might not be as simple.
Okay, we're going to give this one a play. And I will say too, I love visuals because I'm a visual learner, especially when it comes to product things. So I think the more you can skew video with your product onboarding and your post sales, the better. So let's give this little boy play.
Hey folks, Ricky here with AppQues, and I'd like to personally welcome you to the AppQues platform. First and foremost, AppQues is a product messaging platform that allows you to send beautiful experiences to your users in the way of banners, pins, modals, surveys, tool tips, hideouts, hotspots, so much more. And you can do all this without having to write a code after.
And what I like there is that you have like a personal element too. It's not just the like screen share recording of either your tool or your deck.